Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. As you can tell from the title, today's video is all about learning how to digitalize your photo using some really simple and easy techniques. So let's get started. First, choose a canvas of any size. I'll be using a 3000 into 3000 pixel canvas. Now insert a photo. Resize the photo to fit the canvas. And reduce the opacity so you can see through it while sketching the outline. Now create a new layer specifically for the outline. Now pick a color for it. I'll be using the studio pen as it is smooth and flows nicely for outline. Now starting with the facial features, as they are the most important and detailed part. Avoid drawing too many lines on the face as it can create unwanted fine lines. Now once you have outlined the face, hide the photo to view the sketch more clearly. Now create a new layer to fill in the colors. I will start with the face by picking the color from my original image and filling it in the face. After filling the face, add depths by choosing different shades from the photo, blending them with the soft blend airbrush. Always choose the soft blend airbrush to merge the shades in the photo because it is easy by using the soft brush and it blends very seamlessly. I will add highlights to the areas where the light is hitting and then I'll blend it together using the merger. Now next focus on the lips. Fill the color based on the original lip shade, making the adjustments as needed. Now if you have missed any spot on the face to be filled, you simply have to pick the colors around that area and then fill in with it. After finishing the highlights and shading on the face, we will move on to the hair. Create a new layer and outline the hair first. I'll use the brown base for my hair since my hair has both brown and black tones. Now once the base is filled, I'll add highlights in the grayer shade to mimic the light effect. Even after picking the color from the hair, the shades are still darker. I'll be using the lighter shade myself. And then highlighting onto the hair to give the reflection of light. Now using the yellower shade because the yellow light is coming from above. Now using the blending tool, that is merger tool, I will merge or blend out the colors. Now I'll apply the darker shade with the airbrush because my hair is a bit darker than what effect I have given. So now it's time to color the clothes. I'll use the same airbrush to add the base color. Now shading the areas with creases for added depth. Since my top is mesh, I'll create a layer below all the others and fill it with a skin tone color to mimic the slight visibility of skin through the fabric. For the jeans, pick a color from the original image and fill it in using the studio pen. Add a darker shade for pockets and stitch lines. And then use the artistic crayon brush for the realistic jeans effect. After adding all the final details, check by hiding the background color to spot any color outside the lines and erase it. If you'd like to turn your image into a sticker with a white outline, check out my other video by clicking the I button above. To create a white border, change the background color to black to make it visible. Now merge all the layers into one. You may want to duplicate the layers and hide the original layers to preserve your work. Then add the border around your merged image. like, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative content and tips. Thank you for watching.